New perm. All right, now we got Owen. So we did the other perm, but we didn't do it enough. We thought maybe it would take so quick, but it didn't. So now we got to check them. All right, so we got the purple. Now listen, I flipped this up when I put solution in here, and these are flipped up. I never did that before, but we'll see how it looks. And Owen's hair kind of fell out too quick. It's even his back. I flipped this all up while perming that hair. Flip it up. Try to get it to stay. So we're letting it sit for a day, and then we could he can style it tomorrow. It looks great.